Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Tonight we have the brand new Renault Captur 2024, and in this video I will show you all the lights, interior lights, exterior lights, everything about the lighting system you will find out in this video. First of all, I want to show you when you lock and unlock the car, the way it looks. And you can see right here, immediately when you lock the car, you will have these nice playing lights around this area that looks pretty cool. And you can see the front fascia, it's completely redesigned, and they add those beautiful LED lights, also the daytime running light, and also up here where we have the headlights now come standard on all versions with full LED, high beam, low beam LED lights. So also this nice playing light every time you lock and unlock the car, look pretty cool. Look at this. I didn't see in the back, I didn't check until now, but in the back I don't think you have any graphic or something. I think in the back is just normal, but it also still look nice. It comes from bright to less bright, so you can see it's dimmed down a little bit slower, and this slowing dim down and bright up, it looks really spectacular. I want to go inside the car to turn on the engine, and I want to show you first of all the brake light and also the reverse light that are also full LED lights. So let me show you that. Let me start the engine, turn on this, turn on the lights and also the fog lamp right now. And you can see right now in this moment, this is the brake light, and you see it? It looks pretty cool. And this is the reverse light. In this moment you can see also the reverse light, it's all the way low, exactly low where it's also the fog lamp. And now you see one more time the brakes. Anyway, let's go in the front to show you the low beam and high beam. Right now the lights are on the low beam. If you look in the front, you can adjust the lights, guys, from this button. Look at this, you can put it all the way high or you can put it all the way low, and this is cool because you have a big amount of adjustment, and I like that. And if you drive on night roads and or dark streets, you can go all the way up. And this is the high beam right now. And the cool part is that on Renault cars, you can see every time you turn on the high beam, the light will go also a little bit higher. This is the way it looks. And if you look in the front, look at this, it goes down. This is the low beam, and now it's high beam, and you can see even the low beam is go a little bit higher, and now it goes down all the way. It's really interesting the way it works, and I definitely like it. Anyway, let me take you on a tour around the car to show you a little bit from the distance. The front end, it's fantastic. I mean, the way it looks from my point of view, it's gorgeous. The front end look in a big way. It's phenomenal. I have no words on the design of the front. The back end look very similar with the previous version, but still a little bit change when it comes to those tail lights and the plastic that cover the tail lights. Now it's transparent and you can see a little bit better the lighting system, but most of the lighting system are LED light. Only the turning signals on the rear, they are normal halogen light, but excepting that, it's LED, full LED. Also the turning signal on the mirror caps, and even in the front, the daytime running light on the lower part, the low beam, high beam LED, and of course the turning signals are also LED. And looking from the front, I have to be honest with you, I really love the way it looks. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Even from this angle, look at this, gorgeous. This is the daytime running light. It looks very similar with the Clio. Turning signal look gorgeous, and here it is the normal. It's not matrix, it's normal LED light, but they look pretty cool. Turning signals on the mirror cap, of course LED light, and on the rear I love the fact that you can see the lighting system also from the side, and you can see it's full LED, excepting of course the turning signal, and even the LED light for the number plate, and then you have the fog lamp, and the reverse light you already saw it, it's also LED light. So in general this is the exterior lights. Now if we go inside in the trunk, you can see right now immediately that you have here in the trunk a normal yellow halogen light, but pretty good light also in the trunk here. So from my point of view, you have more than enough light to see and to put your stuff inside there in the nighttime. If we go in the back here, you can see the illuminated buttons. I will show you also in the front. You have also up there 3 LED lights that are extremely visible. So you can see right here you have plenty of light. If something falls on the ground, you can find it very easy. Here we have 2 USB-C, and this is the way it looks, the dashboard in the front. It's crazy illuminated. You have those 2 LED lights up there, and it's really illuminate the interior. And also this is the dashboard, and you can see the ambient light in the doors. I will show you also how you can change those colors, and this is the way it looks. Let me go in the front. On the door you have this ambient light. On the back you don't have it, but you have it in the front. Ambient light right here, you can change the colors. This is the buttons, and the ambient light behind the buttons is a nice white dimmed light. Down on the legs you don't have any light, but you have more than enough light here inside in this area. Also behind those buttons you have some ambient light around here. This is the way the screen look like. I will turn off the hazard light. The screen, I like very much that in the nighttime they dim down, they turn dark. In this way you don't have any problem or let's say pain to your eyes, so you have a very good visibility. This is the low beam and this is the high beam, and you can see how the lights are going a little bit higher right now when you turn the high beam. Now here USB illuminated, those buttons are illuminated, and those are too. And up here you have again 2 LED lights, and also here you have an LED light for the vanity mirror, and you have even here in the glove box a light, and plenty of light inside the car. If you want to change those colors, you have to go to the car, you have to configure it here, and then you have to go to life on board, go to not intensity, but you can put intensity on maximum, ambient light, and here from ambient light you can go and change this color. For example, yellow, look at there. You want to make it other color, you want to make it red, you can make it red. You want to make it another color, you change the colors, blue, and so on. And you have all these colors to choose from, and this is really cool. Anyway, in general, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get some useful information from here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much to all of you that are watching my videos. Don't miss out the full review, the test drive video, the nighttime test drive video, because you can get some useful information from there. Thank you very much to all of you that are watching my videos. Stay safe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.